Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable BitLocker on a server and how to enable a TPM on a VM. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the VM that I'm going to be using for the BitLocker portal. One of the requirements for the BitLocker portal is that it be running TPM. And anyways, this led to the whole thing of looking back at this blog, and I noticed that I hadn't done up a video for it. So this is why this video is being done now. So all that's to say is let's install TPM on this thing. So we're just going to click Add Roles and Feature. We're going to go next. We're going to go next. And then we've got the BitLocker drive encryption. We're going to add the feature, next, and install. Now, as I normally would do this in full screen, but because I need to reboot in this thing, I'm actually going to do it connected to the VM itself. So we're just going to give this a second to finish installing, and it will actually prompt us to reboot. And at that point in time, we're not actually going to reboot. We're actually going to shut down the VM so we can install the TPM component of that. And we're back. So you'll notice it says here, we've got to restart. So I'm going to say close, and it should prompt me to say we need to restart. I'm going to proactively do that and do shutdown instead. And again, the reason why I'm going to do shutdown is I have not enable TPM, which is the second part of this article. So you literally right click, go settings on your VM, you go down to security, you enable TPM, and go apply. It really isn't that difficult, but a lot of people forget to enable it by default. So this is one of the things that adding it in after the fact really isn't that difficult. You just have to stop the VM. And with that, that is the end of adding TPM to a VM. What I noticed when I did this, reviewed the original blog post, is I showed you how to install TPM. I showed you how to enable BitLocker. I didn't show all the reboot scenario, and I didn't show the configuration part of it. When I realized I hadn't showed the configuration part of it, I decided that I would add that into another video. So that won't come out shortly, and you'll be able to see that. I'll try to link to it in the bio of this one so that you can continue on with this process. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I strongly encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. This way you can be kept up to date on all of the latest videos as they come out. Additionally, I encourage you to subscribe to the Ask Garth newsletter. This way, again, you can find out when the blog posts come out as soon as they're posted. The one thing you will find is the vast majority of the blogs will show up on Wednesday around 10 o'clock Eastern time, and there's generally one blog a week. So until next time, we'll see you later.